Hi, Main Square Montessori families. Did you know that today is the very last day of our academic school year? That's right. Main Square Montessori made it through our very first year. Hurrah! I am so grateful for all of the staff members and families and children and parents that were so supportive and were able to make our school year happen and be a success and be a place of joy. So to celebrate summer, I brought an activity today that is perfect for summer. We are going to make a super summer family bucket list jar. So all you need is a jar, it says so in the title, a pair of scissors for cutting paper, bring some paper, and a pen or several pens. Maybe a pen or a marker for everyone in your family. Everyone can participate in this. So I brought 3 colors of paper: orange, blue, and pink. So each of these colors is going to represent a different kind of activity to put into the Super Summer Family Bucket List jar. So pink is going to be our general activities. So anything that you can do with a child or as a family group, put it on that pink slip. Blue is going to be for water activities. So any day that is so hot that all you want to do is go outside and splash around, we're going to write down water activities on the blue slip. Get it? Because it's blue for water. And then orange, last of all, is activities that we can do inside. So if there's a day that there's a thunderstorm and it's too rainy to go outside, that's what we're going to write on this slip of paper. So let's open up our jar. As a side note, this movement is an excellent fine motor activity. Children love to open and shut jars. So let's write our activities. Let's start with our pink slip. What are some general activities that we can do? What do you like to do? I like to make crafts, so that's what I'm going to write down here. Then we fold it up. And our first activity's in the jar. Let's come up with some other activities. What should we do on a really hot summer day? We could run through the sprinkler. That's my sprinkler activity. All right. And last of all, what's an activity that we can do inside on a rainy day? Well, we can play hide and seek inside. I'm going to write that down. There, and just like that, we have 3 activities in our Super Summer Family Bucket List jar. Gets harder to say every time. There. And you can add as many things as you want. Everybody can shout out their favorite thing and you can write them down together. And then whenever you're bored or you don't know what activity to choose, they're all in here. Go to the jar. I hope that you all have a really safe, a really happy, a really exuberant summer, and I'm looking forward to seeing you all at the end of it. Happy summer!